This is the SoloCast all-in-one USB computer condenser microphone that can be used for recording, podcasting, live streaming, Twitch gaming, video conference calls, and much more. This microphone has a high-quality sample rate of 24-bit by 192 kilohertz and has a built-in two-way USB interface. What this means is you can record, stream, or conference call off of your computer with this mic. So all you have to do is take the included USB cable and plug it directly into the USB port on either your Mac or Windows computer. Then just go to the sound settings of your computer and change the input device to this microphone and you are good to go. From there you can use it for any program, whether it be for recording software like GarageBand or Audacity, for video conference call programs like Zoom or Skype, and even for live streaming applications like Twitch, Facebook Live, or YouTube. Now the cool thing about the SoloCast is that it comes with a built-in gain knob that you can use to set the level of the microphone for recording or even on a video conference call. So if you're in a video meeting and you're not talking, you can turn the gain knob all the way down so no one hears any unwanted noise. Then when you want people to hear you talk, you can turn the gain knob back up again. Now this is a uni-directional condenser microphone, which means the mic does not have to be right in front of your mouth to pick up sound and is extremely sensitive to pick up all the little nuances and characteristics of your voice. The mic also comes with an attachable pop filter that helps reduce plosive sounds that will make a pop when you talk. And if you've been wondering what this mic sounds like, you've been listening to it this whole time. Now the microphone comes with both a desktop mic stand and a shock mount that attaches to the mic stand. The shock mount can also be used to connect the SoloCast to other types of microphone stands that you might have or want to use, but the included microphone stand is perfect for any desk for voiceovers, video calls, or game streaming. This microphone is the perfect solution for those who want an easy-to-use, plug-and-play, two-way USB microphone that can be used for home recording, podcasting, live streaming, video conference calls, and much more. So if you're looking for a USB computer condenser microphone, look no further than the SoloCast from Rockville.